In this section, we look at why education is a ticket to global mobility. On the left-hand side, you see the GDP per capita for people all the way from Bangladesh to Luxembourg. There is a famous investor who is also very rich called Warren Buffett. He once said, imagine that there are two babies and one of them is born in Bangladesh and the other one is born in the United States. The one born in the United States won the lottery. He was referring not just to the GDP per capita, but also to the opportunities that a baby born in the United States will have. Imagine a very tall tower. Let's pick the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It's the tallest in the world, 163 floors. You should go for coffee. It's inexpensive and you get great views of it. Imagine that you were to take everyone born anywhere in the world and place them in a different floor according to the GDP per capita at birth. If you were born in Peru, you will be on the 8th floor. You make about $1,000 per month and your GDP per capita is 13,000. There are 119 other countries with a lower GDP placed on the floors below. The beauty of this example is that in real life, in the Burj Khalifa, there are people from all over the world, and the richer ones live in the upper floors. If you were born in the United States, you will be placed on the 37th floor, just because you were born there, following the logic of Warren Buffett. If you were born in Spain, you will be on the 24th floor. The beauty of Spain is that you have access to the European Union, where, as we saw before, some of the richest countries in the world are located, places like Luxembourg. If you have access to Luxembourg, then you go up to the 66th floor. There are other ways to go up. You could take the stairs. Education is the elevator ride that would take you up 60 floors. Here is also in which floor those born in Switzerland, Hong Kong, China, and different countries in Latin America will be placed based on GDP per capita at birth. When we look at real life, we see that 1/2 of the CEOs of Fortune 500 companies were born abroad. At Google, one of the founders was born in Russia, and he first went to the University of Maryland. The CEO of Tesla was born in South Africa. The CEO of Microsoft was born in India. What they all have in common is that they were born abroad and they got their university education in other countries, not necessarily at an Ivy League. We look at how much more money we will make, how much does it cost in global mobility.